makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven doesn't deserve it, I'll like her, yeah.
May babae ako nakitang kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya,
That's your love, it's
I don't want to get rid of that. Okay? And if you want to go to take a video, press your hands on your left next time, okay? Okay, let's see to the front. This is the entrance of the jungle rivers. This is the longest river in the world. It's about 4,000 miles. Let's take the left hand side. This is for the elephant and her baby. And she is teaching her baby how to use his hand to make the water. You're lucky he's still running, if not you will all get hurt from him. Alright, watch out on your right is from everybody. And make us rest. And this is the animal is very naughty. Always make us rest. Don't do that, please. I don't want to get rid of that. Okay? And I think he's very excited because his followers coming to visit him because he haven't seen anyone for a few months already. Sorry, man, please sit down. Sorry, sit down, please. Okay, now we're entering to old ancient temple. And there are poisonous spider on the left are waiting for us. They can jump about 20 feet, so don't let them jump on the boat. Okay, on the other side, there's one more here. Watch out. Wow, there's one more on your head. Oh, sorry, this is Donald. It's my fault. On your right, this is the other temple. The king robbers are the guardians of the elephant god. And the king robbers are also poisonous snake in the road too. So don't let them find us. No, you're staying in the jungle forever with us. Okay, what now? Warning! Crocodiles, do you know what they love to eat? They love to eat children. So we have to go now. We have not enough food for their lunch or tea today because they are also very hungry. Alright, now we're entering the campsite from Professor Potter and Jane, but they are not and see the gorillas inside playing the underwater game. Oh no, they were the one is too bad. Don't shoot us, please, gorillas. We just walked by and we are good people. Chicago, thank you. And now we are hot in the jungle. And there are some animals here. I see the zebras, giraffes, and on your left-hand side one, this is the second fiercest elephant in the world. He is just the number 2 scary one. Do you know who is the most dangerous and scary one? Is on your right-hand side. Scorpion is the most dangerous animal in the world, so don't make your girlfriend angry, okay? And now we're in Hippopo. They're all over 6,000 pounds of each. They're very big and you see them most of the rest now. They are just letting me if not, you will be like 5 of these explorers. They are both questioned by the hippo and stay in the jungle for their entire life. Anyone would like to swap the seat to save them, to take them home? You don't want? Okay, see you guys. One more to save you. But that's cool because they are fine in the jungle. Do you know how long they stay in the jungle? They stay here for 15 years for climbing the same tree, so you can come back later to visit them. Okay, see you guys. Bye-bye. Alright, now we see those girls. That means we're in headhunting territories right now. So we have to protect our heads and keep quiet. Check if everyone has them here. Touch it. Okay? Alright, everyone safe. Okay, now see the boat in front of us then. And the top is in front of our front side. Let's go and full speed going and going back to the dock to end our 3 days long trip. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Please don't be if not, our boat is certified. But oh my goodness. I think I went to the wrong place. Anyone has been here before? Let's trim it for me to pay the logo. I know this place is totally from water got in, the fire got in. Now, the water bubble got out with the front and back. Oh no! Is anyone missing? If you're missing, please raise up your hands. Okay, no one? Okay, that's good. Alright, on your left-hand side is a baby elephant to sing along with us. See you, baby elephant. If you want to meet him again, you can enjoy the jungle with a cruise next time. See you. Bye-bye. Alright, it's time to go back. Are you guys enjoy the trip with me? Yeah. Thank you so much. Are you guys remember me? Okay, no. Oh, this American. That's fine. I cool then. If you enjoy the trip and feel happy, just remember me as Joey, okay? If not, you can just forget me. I'm cool with that. Or you can remember me as Mary, Amy, Betty, someone else. That's fine. Alright, give me 3 more seconds to stop the boat and you can leave me alone. Alright, let's count together. 3, 2, and finally 1. Alright, my boat is stopped completely. See you.
Kailangan nakapuso na eh.
Tingnan niyo yung mga nasa ikon.
Oh, look at that! The hip spanner! Oh, they even did it in my hand! And this jungle is so pretty, right? Oh, good, good! Oh, look at the elephant god temple and the cobra! I'm your protector! So, look at that. There's a gold poison cobra in the room. And there's some hands! Crocodiles! Yeah. Remember, don't put your head out to the boat, okay? Because they're so dangerous. And I don't want you guys to become allergic. Yeah. They are free. Oh, there's the practice can. And you're messing up the can. And they are holding the gun. No way. No. It's so dangerous. What did you get? Please no. See, it's so fun. Yeah. And welcome to the African Vales. And lots of animals right here. And what do you see, guys? Zebra and giraffe and African elephant. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Another one. Oh no! Somebody looked at the window. It's so smelly. And you guys, I'm so really, because this is the last variety. They come on the floor and it's all like it goes. Oh, Alright guys, ready? So hit into the headhunter territories. Yes, ready? Okay, let's go. Be careful, there's a headhunter. Okay, don't lose your head, okay?
Kita tingnan.
go in now, bring the summons again. Okay. Now, in the canyon, where the fire god lives right here. And the fire god is
Dito, dito.
Daniel.